In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a custom sign-up form in Webflow. First, open your Webflow project in the designer so you're on the canvas of the site where you want the sign-up form to live. Make sure you're in the correct project and workspace and that you have permission to install apps on this site. Next, open the Webflow Apps panel or the App Marketplace. In the search field, type Smarttarget Contact Form. This is the app we'll use to power a customizable sign-up experience without writing code. When you see it in the results, click the listing to open it. On the app page, choose Open Full Listing so you can see the complete details. Start by reviewing the Description tab. This gives you an overview of what the app does, typical use cases, and how it integrates with your site. If you're collecting sign-ups, you'll want to confirm it supports the fields, styling, and behavior you need. Then, switch to the Permissions tab. This section explains exactly what access the app requests, such as reading your sites and adding custom code. It's good practice to understand why each permission is needed before you proceed. If you're working in a team, double-check that these permissions align with your organization's policies. When you're ready, click Install on site. Webflow will redirect you to an authorization screen for the app. Here, you'll confirm the installation and allow the requested access. If you manage multiple sites, you may be prompted to select the specific site you want to connect. Choose the correct site, confirm any drop-down selections, and continue. Now, click Authorize to finalize. Webflow will complete the connection and return you to your project with the app installed. If you don't see a confirmation right away, give it a moment or refresh the designer. At this point, the app is installed on your chosen site. From here, you can open the app settings within Webflow to configure your sign-up form. Set up the fields you want to collect, adjust the appearance to match your brand, and decide where the form should appear. Keep accessibility and clarity in mind. Label fields clearly, provide helpful placeholders, and include concise error messages. Before you publish, test the form in preview mode to verify that submissions work, the layout is responsive, and the form behaves as expected